When it comes to government organizations, finding new ways to efficiently support the state that they serve while staying tech-savvy is always a challenge. This is an important revenue-generating organization for a state government in India. Let's call them Corporation X. Over the last 20 years, we have helped them streamline their invoice life cycles, digitize customer bill payments, improve decision-making through data analytics, enable quicker policy application, and processed employee payroll. All this work has seen impressive results. 64,000 water consumers of Corporation X now use the ERP system we built, and the system has seen over 115,000 payment transactions shift to the digital portal. But we don't want to just stop here. Corporation X still faces many hurdles on their road to promoting industrial development of their state. For example, there's a massive disconnect between the thousands of small and large businesses that fall within their purview. There's poor collaboration, and these companies are blind to the immense potential right within their state. To help with this, we have visualized a robust roadmap of how we can revolutionize Corporation X's operations over the next 3 years. One of our visualized offerings is a diverse supplier management system. Countless small businesses under Corporation X produce goods that are the perfect raw materials for bigger companies. Right now, these local businesses suffer from low visibility, and bigger companies are in constant need of efficient, cost-effective suppliers. Our supplier management system bridges gaps between such suppliers and customers. A complete visualization of cost-effective suppliers within the state acts as an incentive for global companies to enter the state, and existing interstate businesses can optimize their entire supply chain to provide better services to their customers. Thus, by championing local businesses, Corporation X can track and significantly accelerate intrastate business. A B2B marketplace is another offering we are very passionate about. This is a one-stop shop portal where the entire world can view and interact with the 60,000 businesses that fall under Corporation X. Producers of finished goods can find suitable raw material manufacturers, and international consumers can pick from a slew of cost-effective suppliers. This, in turn, creates a sustainable ecosystem and fosters long-lasting relationships. Our passion is not limited to simple optimization. It extends to completely transforming the face of Corporation X. Our understanding of their inner workings, our experience, and our commitment to working as a decision support system has resulted in us supporting Corporation X in a CIO-like capacity. We look forward to continue serving them for years to come. Click here to find out how we can serve you.